Chainsaw players and combat warriors. Number 1 Chainsaw main.
This person is good at this weapon. They know when to hit and not hit. He knows when to parry because chainsaw is scary. They know how to chainsaw dash and every movement ability with the chainsaw. They are very scary, but chainsaw noobs kinda ruin it for them because even noobs try fighting chainsaw players.
They are so good they make people leave. Number 2 Clutch and Scuff. This one is simple. Clutch. Scuff. Number 3 How to. This is where the chainsaw players released how bad they are, so they look up stuff. Like these for an example. I need to make this one a video and not short. Number 4 Money Hungry. The player realized that their credit score is low, so he wants to get money fast or wants levels. So they kill everyone and thing in the lobby. Even if they're low, they go in. Number 5 Boo Hater. They died a lot and try cashing up to those runners, but got's a plan. They search for this video, now they're the worst nightmare. They target Boo users and kills anyone who gets in the way. Number 6 The Chainsaw Noob. You just know what's going to happen. Number 7 is Mad. They are losing a 1v1, so they switch to TTK or Chainsaw. I sadly don't have a clip for that, but you have been there. Comment which one you are. I'm number 1 and 5.